This video is aimed at any teacher who is not very familiar with Smart Notebook and would like to know a little bit more about how they can build a presentation to show their students. The good news is that Smart Notebook is quite similar to PowerPoint, so if you're familiar with PowerPoint already, then you shouldn't have any problems with Smart Notebook. So this is the wrong slide. I should be going to this one. So I've already opened up Smart Notebook, that's where we are already. We're going to be looking at the layout of what this toolbar and what this panel consists of. So we're going to start off with the navigation panel. The navigation panel is on the left here. If I press this document button here, I can see all of my slides. Once I click on the main screen again, it disappears. So if I click on the page, I can see all my slides. I've got 6 of them. I click here, it goes away again. To create slides, I need to press this green button here where it says Add Page. It'll automatically take me to the new page. So that's just appeared here. If I want to delete it, I press the red one and it will go away again. So that's creating and deleting slides. Next, we're going to look at cloning slides. Perhaps I would particularly like to have multiple copies of one slide. For example, if I do something like I write my lesson aims, for example, I want this to appear on every single page of my presentation so that my students are constantly aware of the aims. Then here is this page. I click this drop down menu and I press clone page. Now I have 2. I press it again, now I have 3. And I can play around with each one. I can include pictures, I can use my board marker to write on here, and so on. I'm just going to go ahead and delete those for now because we don't really need them. Next, we're going to look at reshuffling slides. Perhaps I have put my slides in the wrong order. For example, this one. This is my last slide. I don't want it as my second slide. All I do is click it, drag it, change the position. Quite similar to PowerPoint in that way. Now it's in the 3rd position. Undo. If I make a mistake, for example, I'm writing on the board, and I realized that that was a mistake. I didn't actually want to write that. Then up here at the top I've got my undo button. This is quite useful if you import a picture or some sound, or you do some text work and you decide you don't like it and you want to change it back to how it was. So there we go, I can undo it and get rid of it. Or perhaps I change my mind and I want it back again, and then I can redo it like that. So that's the undo and redo buttons. Up here at the top there's the undo, the redo, add page, delete page. These 2 arrows are to navigate through my pages back and forward, like so. And that's it. That brings us to the end of our presentation, and just a quick video just to get you acclimatized to what Smart Notebook looks like. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask either Adam G or Adam T. We are both very happy to help you.